Hey guys, this is Wolf Killer XD. I hope you guys like this video. So yeah, let's get right to it. Okay, let's go. Wolf Killer XD, Wolf Killer XD, Wolf Killer XD. You're not gonna see him coming cause he's super fast. His sharp teeth, red eyes gone like you ras. Because he gonna harass anything he see. Cause he Wolf Killer XD. He gonna white eyes but they actually red. Go in the darkness of the forest ahead. The white curtains on your forest bed. He see it, then he attack you for blood red. Cause he's with Killer X. Day, 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 X, he gonna be super fast. You gotta coast on. He gonna attack you there at the midnight moon. When the moon is blue, he's gonna come for you. And then he's gonna howl too. Cause he's Wolf Killer XD. Gonna come for you when the moon is full. When you come down, you're gonna be dead. Cause before you get the one he's gonna be. The one who's there right next behind you and by you. He's gonna ride and find me too. It's gonna come for all the people when the moon is full and when it is new. Cause he's Wolf Killer, Wolf Killer. Cause he's Wolf Killer, he's Wolf Killer, Wolf Killer. Wolf Killer is coming for me and you. Wolf Killer, Wolf Killers with the red eyes and the blood veins too. Wolf Killer, Wolf Killer with the microphone howling at the moon. Cause he's Wolf Killer XD, Wolf Killer XD. He's singing right now, gonna come for you. So watch this video and you will die too. He howls at the moon, moon. Howls at the moon, cause he's coming too. Gonna bite you on the neck and you're gonna bleed like his red too. Oh, he's coming for you. He's coming for me too. Yeah. Cause he was Killer XD, was Killer XD, was Killer XD, and you're afraid of him. Please say yeah.